का हलवा. I need suji, sugar, ghee, butter, kismis, grind pista and cashew, some elaichi powder, coconut powder and half glass of water. First, after adding 3 spoons of ghee, put in half a cup of sugar and stir it well until it has melted. Now you can see the sugar has completely melted. Next, I am putting in 1 cup of suji that I have washed already into the pan. Mix all of this very well and stir it for about 5 minutes. Now you can see it has turned brown and I am adding half glass of water. And now I am going to mix it well until it's completely dry. It should be dry in about 2 minutes. After dry it, put some resin, kismis, some pista and cashew which I already grind and stir it. Now add in some elaichi powder, some coconut powder, and some ghee and mix it well. Now my Suji halwa is ready, which I can call mithai halwa. Now spread some drop of ghee into the plate. After spreading it, add the halwa into the plate. Now spread the halwa until it has covered the whole plate. Now to garnish, put some resin, kismis, some pista and cashew which I grind, and some coconut powder. Now I am cutting halwa into small pieces to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.